Hi there. I'm very excited today because I have some useful AutoCAD shortcuts that you should know to manage your drawings like a pro. So let's start with the first control key shortcut that you should know. And this one is to save your drawing as. So I'm here on this drawing elevation 1 and simply use the Ctrl Shift S on your keyboard. And you don't see it, but the window pops out on my second screen. So it's right here. So again, I'm gonna close it, Ctrl Shift S. Oops, see what this will save a drawing as. So of course here you can rename your drawing, let's say elevation 2, and simply save. So again, this is a useful control key shortcut that you should use. So let's go with the next one. And the next one is to exit a drawing. So to exit a drawing, the useful keyboard shortcut is Control Q. So once you do that, you saw that the other drawing close automatically, and this one will ask you to, if you want to save the changes or not. Of course, here you could simply say yes or not depending on your needs, but Control Q shortcut will exit a drawing quickly. So let me open back up the other drawing because I needed to show you the next shortcuts. So let me open it. Okay, so for the next control key shortcut, this will help you to switch to the next layout tab in your current drawing. So I'm here on this drawing that has many layout tabs here at the bottom, X1, EX2, and so on. So in order to use this control shortcut, simply use the control and the page down. So if you click holding the control, you keep pressing the page down, it will go to the next layout tab in your drawing. All right, so that's another control key shortcut that is useful. So let's go with the next one. What happens if you want to go to the previous layout? So this would be another key shortcut with the control to go or switch to the previous layout tab in your current drawing, and this would be the control and the page up. So again, holding the control key and simply pressing once the page up will go or switch to your previous layout tab. All right, so that's another useful control key shortcut. So let's go with the next one. The next one is to switch to the next drawing. So in this example, a drawing would be a drawing tab. So here we have one drawing tab, two drawing tabs, and three. So to switch to the next drawing tab, what you have to do is use the control, holding the control key on your keyboard and pressing the tab key. So you press once, it will go to the next drawing tab or drawing. If you do it again, control tab will go to the next drawing tab. All right, so let's go now. What if you want to switch to the previous drawing tab, right? So let's go with the next keyboard shortcut. And this will be to go back, simply use Control Shift and pressing tab again. As you can see, it will go to the next. Again, holding both at the same time, the Control and the Shift, key and then pressing the tab only once will go switch to your previous drawing. All right, so let's go with the next useful control key shortcut that you should know, and this would be to open the plot dialog box. So let's go here on paper space and zoom extends. So to open the plot dialog box when you are ready to print quickly, simply hold the control key and press the P shortcut. P as speed draw, so P, and you will see that you quickly access the plot dialog box. Of course, here you can do the settings that you need and so on, and just simply plot or print. All right, so let's go to the next useful control key shortcut that you should know, and this will be to open a drawing. So to open a drawing, simply hold the control key on your keyboard and press O. So as you can see, pressing O, Control and O will open this dialog box to select a new drawing. In this case, let me open this over here just to click open. And of course, that's a title block drawing that it was open. All right. So the next control key shortcut that you should know is to save a drawing, right? This would be very handy because we are always working and saving drawings so you don't, let's say, AutoCAD crash or something. You're always, a good practice is to save your drawing, and to do it quickly, this shortcut would be handy for you, which is the Control S. As you can see here on the command line, by holding the Control S, the Q save command will be used, so that way your drawing is saved and you don't have to worry about any future crash or something because you'll always be up to date. All right, the next control key shortcut that you should know is to create a new drawing. Yes, so to create a new drawing, simply use the Control N on your keyboard, and here you will have different templates to create a brand new drawing. Of course, if you have your template, you can pick it, but here, if you want a architecture drawing with some settings according to this field, you can pick the I for Imperial Architecture, I for Imperial Mechanical, M for Metric Architecture, and M for Metric Mechanical. So you can pick, as you wish. I'm going to pick Imperial Architecture because I'm in the US. And you can see that a new drawing was created using your keyboard shortcut. All right. So these were some useful keyboard shortcuts with the Control key that will help you to manage your drawings more efficient. All right.